A common piece of art advice is that you shouldn't be comparing yourself to other artists. The reasoning behind this is that you'll be making yourself feel bad about your own work, and it will, I guess, make you want to give up. This makes sense when you first hear it, but as you could tell by the title, I'm actually here to tell you that I believe this is very false, and you absolutely should compare yourself to other artists who are better than you. If doing this makes you feel like giving up, then you don't have the right mindset. A bad mindset is looking at the work of professional artists and telling yourself, oh wow, this person's art is so good, mine is so awful by comparison, so why am I even trying? Instead, when you see an amazing work of art, tell yourself, wow, this person's art is so good, I can use them as inspiration, and if I keep practicing and learning, I can be as good as them. After all, that person was once at your skill level, and I bet you they found inspiration and looked at the work and skills of other artists as a goal to work towards, not an insult to their own skills. Find inspiring artists, study their work, and apply what you learn from them to yourself. An argument against comparing yourself is that you will be happier if you just compare your current art skills with your past art skills. It's good to track your progress, but this is really just another way to feel good about yourself, and while it is good to feel good about yourself, you're really setting out to improve your skills. You aren't going to push forward by looking backwards. And learning from photographs and real-life references is great, but things like exaggeration, appealing shapes, composition, and much more are things that you can learn much more easily by studying other artists. Also, while you should feel good about your current skills, if you are completely content with where you are at, you're not going to get better. Comparing yourself and surrounding yourself with more skilled people gives you the motivation to jump out of your comfort zone, learn new skills, and level up. If you aren't, however, interested at all in being a better artist, then by all means, disregard everything I've said. But really, there's no avoiding looking at better art. It's sort of impossible to not compare yourself. You can try, but professional art is everywhere, so if you're gonna get jealous, you might as well get something out of it.